Hi, I'm Nick Pregnance with Calibrated Power, home of Duramax tuner. In front of me I have our Stealth Mach 1 for the LML. This turbo is a great addition for you guys with 2011 to 2016 LML trucks. Maybe you have a tune on the truck, maybe you're pushing it a little bit more, towing with it, and you want something that's going to contain EGTs, that's going to move a little bit more air. It's going to slow the shaft speed down just a little bit, keep things in the safe zone where the stock turbocharger is going to run out of air. This Mach 1 is going to be there for you a little bit higher in the power output and still be very responsive, still be something you could tow with, use every day. It's going to be compliant on the daily driving usage. This one builds on the success of our VVT line. So all the success we had in the LOY, the LBZ, LMM, now we're going to carry those same internals, those same improvements and upgrades that made those turbos so reliable and perform so well. We're going to apply those to the LML. So you're going to get that same great reliability, that bolt in and go, no BS, emissions compliant setup with great throttle response, great spool up, something that's not going to surge while towing. This is going to be a turbo that's great to drive, but it also has the ability to move extra air. So what does that mean for you? Up top, when you have a tuned truck or you're asking more out of the truck, you're spinning the stock shaft very fast, your EGTs are going to climb high. What this turbo is going to do is slow the shaft speed down. It's going to use a little bit bigger compressor wheel. We're looking at a 63mm compressor. And what that's going to do is keep the truck in a happier spot EGT-wise when you're running those high loads consistently. It's also going to allow you to make more horsepower. So where the stock turbo might tap out in the 530, 540 range, this one's going to tap out in the 640 range as far as maximum airflow available. We know you have a lot of turbochargers to choose from when replacing the turbo on your truck. The reason you should choose Calibrated Power's turbochargers is because we've been in business a very long time and we've seen how other turbochargers can fail, including the stock turbocharger. So we've taken opportunity over the past 10 years to use that knowledge to improve every element of the design of the turbocharger that we have control over. What that means is lighter wheels, better bearings, improved porting, boost testing, better O-ring grooves. You name it, any little part of this process where we can tweak quality, we jump in there and do that because we are enthusiasts, because we are tuners. I don't want to be chasing gremlins. I don't want my customers chasing gremlins. I'll take care of everything I can on my end to put you in a good spot with a new turbocharger. So if you're looking for a reliable, great driving, badass turbocharger that can drop in and go, give us a buzz. 815-568-7920. We've got guys who can answer the phone, who've been doing this a long time, be happy to talk about your truck and your build with you. I'm Nick with DuramaxTuner.com. Thanks for watching.